Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're joining us for the first time, please don't always forget to subscribe. Now today I've just visited a local area, an area where I know people have visited this area and you know the geography well of this area. You'll bear with me, the wind is too strong at this particular point, and guess where I've visited? This is an area known as Ngong Recreational Center. I think most of you have visited this area. This area is very prone to the harsh winds, and that is why they have the windmills. So they generate HEP. They generate power. That is the wind power. So stay glued with me. I'm going to show you how the area is, and I'm being told that the entrance fee is as low as $2.2. That is around $212. 212 Kenyan shillings. That is $2.2. So wait and see what is unfolding in this place. It's a very good place, guys. Look at it. Ngong town, and then the land yonder we can see Nairobi CBD. So this area is just nice. I still talk about the topography. Look at this terrain. It's like a rolling plain. So good, so beautiful, the view. So when you stand here, you have the panoramic view of the city, the way we call it, the Eagle's View. So this is Masai land anyway. It's in Ngong area, Kajiado. These are the windmills we talk about. Do you see them? So I'm being informed that when you are entering here, you have to pay a fee of $2.3. And then when you're going to do some shooting, like I do my vlogs and shooting, you have to pay $110. So that is quite expensive for video shooting, and also for any photography you just pay like $100. So guys, you can see Ngong town, the land yonder. You can also see Nairobi town from panoramic view. At this altitude, I don't know, this is at what altitude, the highest point. So these are the windmills, guys. Let me go closer to one, show you what is taking place here officially. You can see the winds. The wind is so strong at this particular point, making this object rotate. Upon rotating, just like I've told you prior, they generate heat, they generate energy, which is transmitted to the power line. They're very, very tall. So I've come closer to one of the windmills. You can see this is the highest point. Down there is where we have the Ngong town. These are some of them. This area is so bush, I don't know why, but it's a good one. It's a good area to visit. I just like how the connecting link is very, very important. Look at the windmills. Look at the turbines. Yes. And then to the display. You know, that town is now becoming clear from this point. Let me show you. Let me turn the camera and show you the town very well. So guys, I've managed to come near one of the windmills, and I'll show you from the bottom, the top of this windmill. The diameter is so big, guys, and as you can see, it is still going upwards up to that top. This height is so terrific. Look at that height. And that thing is rotating, it's producing a very, very terrific sound, as you can see. So guys, that's the tower, as you can see it. There's one of them that is just down there. So that is, I think that is the reason why people come here. You know, you just reconnect with nature. And I think if you're stressed, you have all those things that occupy your mind, when you come to this place, all of them are going to evaporate at one moment. So purpose to visit this place, guys. So purpose to visit this place, guys. Hey guys, I didn't tell you, I have this is a very big channel guy. So this guy I have here is called Zadok Thomas, and he has a YouTube channel, Pashwa TV. My friend, that channel is a big one, big platform. Go there, subscribe, like the videos, and watch. Support these guys, man.
And also, I'm here for the sake of personal videos, the travel videos. Amzak is the channel. It's called Amzak. That's personal videos.
Now you get that. Amzak is the channel.
Is the channel.
So he has two.
Pashwa TV is the brand.
Where the brand.
I talk about celebrities. We meet celebrities in person and talk with them so that they share their stories. Yeah.
So those who have watched my videos, I think you have seen me walking with this man, even the Juja video. Yes, the man who was throwing gullies. The man, guys. So guys, I'm going down the hill. Come with me, my cameraman. Don't be afraid. You don't have the boots. Have the boots. These boots are
for hiking. For hiking purposes.
For hiking, my friend, you don't have, let me tell you, you don't have a beard, you don't have boots. You gotta pull down. Take a look.
Well, you see, you are behaving like Mbarambamba. You see, you are running up. The cameraman is following you.
The cameraman is following me.
But I think Mbarambamba should come here.
I think that one should. areas, guys, we have in Ngong Forest. Visit this channel, guys, subscribe, like this video, share it widely so that it can perform well. So guys, thank you for supporting this channel. Bye bye for now.